Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete chats on PolyBuzz AI. For that, first of all, make sure that you have latest version of PolyBuzz application available in your device. Once you check that, simply tap on the application to launch it. Now, at the bottom, just right to the home, you will see chat section. Simply tap on that. Here you will see all of your chats you had on PolyBuzz AI. Now, if you want to delete a particular chat, then you just have to choose the chat and swipe left to it. Then there you will see three options, that is stop pic, hide and delete. Now choose delete. As you can see, a disclaimer has been sent that all of your chat records and related information will be deleted. If you want to still continue, then tap on delete. And that's it. In this way, you can easily delete chats on PolyBuzz AI. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.